Welcome to Manufacturing Tech Australia with Shane Williams and Paul Mason.
I'm here with Emily and Neil. We're at the VISY stand checking out the Packsize equipment. Welcome to Manufacturing Tech Australia.
Thanks for having us.
So maybe you can tell us a little bit about what's going on here.
Yeah, so behind us we have the Packsize X5 machine. It is a suite in our suite of on-demand packaging machines.
Yeah.
This particular one is best for the fulfillment and 3PL industries.
Yeah.
And it makes RSC boxes right size and on demand. So if you have your products, we make the right size for those products. So we are optimizing the fill rate, we're reducing the need for any void fill, and in turn, we're reducing any of your freight and shipping charges and minimising waste and reducing those materials you're needing to use.
Yeah, and imagine if I'm running a small to medium business, I don't want to have a whole factory full of different size packaging ready to go, right?
That's exactly right.
You're solving that problem.
Yeah, so we look at your past orders and we optimise our bale width, so that cuts down on that waste.
Yeah.
We've got a continuous Z-fold feed of corrugate that feeds in, and it makes that right size box every time.
Awesome.
Yeah.
And so Neil, I think I saw you programming this sucker before.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, tell us a little bit more about it.
Yeah, so our X5 platform we really started developing in 2019. We have about 300 plus of them globally currently. It can do a 8x6x3 box up to a 30-20-20. I'm sorry, I don't have the millimeters handy offhand. Can do kind of an infinite size range. So really what we did was took the corrugated die cut technology and made it automated and dynamic. So it's a automated dynamic rotary die system that then goes to our box spinner, folds the box, glues it. Our outfeed system will then grab it and deliver a labeled, erected box ready to pack.
Awesome. And so what sort of typical size businesses are looking to implement this sort of stuff?
This particular X5 machine, we're looking at, your large fulfillment and 3PL centres, but we do have a range of other machines that VISY do offer in Australia that we do furniture, cabinetry, manufacturing, all the different industries. Our other machines aren't restricted to just the RSCs.
Yep.
We can package anything from a golf ball to a golf cart in any type of box. We can, we're not restricted to the RSC boxes. So really the options are limitless, but for the X5, it's just 3PLs and fulfillment centres, large scale.
Awesome.
Yeah.
And maybe for you, Neil, if you're thinking about your differentiator for say this product versus your biggest competitor, what makes this product stand out?
The reliability is one of the biggest. This is also the only true right-sized erected box that you can find. Most of the rest kind of just right-size the Z-axis, the height axis, whereas this machine will right-size all three.
And I think it's definitely worth mentioning, in Australia with VISY, we offer the full package. We don't just drop this machine and place it, we offer the continual support, all the software, your cubing software, your recording software, and the full support the whole way through, including supplying that Z-fold corrugate that's fed into the machine. But the whole package is through us. We don't leave you to deal with the issues yourself.
Yeah. So I imagine as the right size business for this, I'm thinking about, I don't have to have as much storage for my staff. I can be thinking about my sustainability strategy, and I'm keeping my costs down all at the same time, right?
Exactly right.
Awesome.
Yeah.
It's been amazing having you on the show. Thanks for being.
Thank you for having us.
Cheers.
Thanks for tuning in to Manufacturing Tech Australia with Shane and Paul, recorded on the traditional lands of the Bunurong and Wurundjeri people. For more information, jump on the manufacturingtech.au website. Remember to hit the follow button to join us again next time as we continue to explore the intersection of manufacturing and technology.